what is the market telling us? We need to figure out what the market is telling us. And first, we start with the market, the SPY, right? The SPY has a 10 over 20, price over 50. So this has the outlier trend template in place for a bullish trend. Now, it's pulled back today. It's crashing to levels not seen since 2 days ago. I think people lose perspective. I always love to point that out when they're like, oh my God, my stock's flying. And I'm like, it's the same price it was 3 days ago. Oh my God,
Right.
my stock's crashing. It literally was that on Wednesday. Like we gotta have some perspective here in the markets, but we do have a bullish trend going right now. So we still have a buy signal on the market, but let's take a look at market breadth. Market breadth is really interesting, right? We're pulling back a little bit on the number of buy signals, a little bit more sell signals coming through. And we actually have more downtrends today. No new uptrends, but we have more downtrends today. So we got a donkey channel score of -1. Then you look across the board, right? Like literally everything has a negative donkey channel score. I think. I think. Oh no. It's okay. I got to learn to read it too. There is I figured it'd be green if it was positive. But no, that's okay. We're going to learn this together in Outlier 4.0. Point is, the market's not set up, right? It's been sitting on a really high greed value for a while. And something that we found is once it gets over 70 on the greed, it becomes really hard to make money. Like legitimately really hard to make money. So what's the best trade to make when there's no other trade to make there, Joe?
Sit in cash, don't F up.
Huh, that's a great idea. We had a visitor come over to our house a couple days ago, and I was showing him the Bat Cave, and he was like, what is that? What is Sycophtu? And my son, my 13-year-old son, he was like, oh, it's sit in cash and don't F up. And I was like, I've taught him right.
Excellent.
So with that being the case, I'm not going to be taking any trades today. We're overbought on the fear and greed. The market breadth is not looking great, but that's okay, right? It's okay because that gives us more time to give away some free stuff. How's that sound? It gives us more time to give away free stuff here and showcase the member highlights. So, dude, yeah, let's be happy to be abnormal for sure. So, let's give away some money. How's that sound? Or maybe not money. We don't give away money anymore. We don't give away the $10 Amazon gift cards. We give away cool swag, cool merch from our Outlier store, right? Maybe you could win an Outlier University hat, maybe a Monkey Hammer hoodie, maybe an Outlier backpack. I love my Outlier backpack. A sit in cash and don't F up shirt. We got all kinds of cool stuff on here. So let's pick our first winner. By the way, if you want to win, you have to type #Outlier in the chat. You won't get counted. You will not be entered unless you put #Outlier in the chat. Oh, look at that. Max says, thank you, Chris, for the Outlier 9. Changed my view on the market. You're number one. Max is number one. Do me a favor. Everybody type in Max. Everybody type in Max in the chat. Max. Everybody type in Max. He deserves some recognition. Congratulations to you, Max. I really appreciate you being here, my friend. Scott, what did Scott say? He was there for a moment. Okay. Actually worth more. Money now is worth more. Oh, great point, right? Talking about the discounted cash flows, etc. We don't have to get all that math nerd stuff, Scott. We don't have to do all that, but I love it. I love how smart people, I love smart people. I love smart people, and Scott is absolutely smart. So what we do is we go through the weekly winner circle and we go to the share your big wins. And April lists out everybody who's put their name in the hat by just posting in that section. Now, you may have posted on it later in the day. By the time April has sent this over to me, I think it was like 11 a.m. Central Time. We had 33 people who posted in there. So we're going to go to my favorite website on the entire earth, which is random.org. And we're going to go from 1 to 33. Right, 1 to 33. Oh, I almost left off Okarami. 1 to 33, and see how many we can how many things we can give away. Joe, how many things should we give away today? You pick.
I think Mahesh can afford 3 things today.
Let's do it. 3 things today. 4 winners today, actually, because one of y'all watching live will also be eligible to win. Only if you put #Outlier. All right, let's give away 4 things today, Joe. Ready? Number 1 is number 8, and that is JK Ray 13. So JK Ray 13, congratulations to you. Let's see what JK Ray 13 has won. Let's go to the spin, the wheel of fortune over here. JK3 has won himself. Let's see. JK3 has won a Monkey Hammer t-shirt. Very cool.
I was just saying I needed one of those yesterday in the live, so now I'm gonna have to order one.
Monkey Hammer t-shirt. Excellent. JK Ray 13. All right, who's the next winner? The next winner is number 5. That is Hockey Rink. Congratulations to Hockey Rink. Let's see. I feel like Bob Barker, right? I feel like Bob Barker. Let's see what Hockey Rink has won today. Let's see what Hockey Rink has won today. Pat Sajak and Vanna White on the Wheel of Fortune. Let's see. You won a Sit and Cash and Don't F Up hoodie. Oh, that's actually our grand prize. The hoodies are the most expensive. So congratulations to you, Hockey Rink. Wow. Sit and Cash and Don't F Up hoodie. Dude, outstanding. All right, let's give away one more, and then we will draw from the people who put hashtag Outlier in the chat. Hashtag Outlier in the chat. Number 1. You know, I know this sounds crazy, but this is a true random number generator. I had nothing to do with the fact that it was from 8, 5, and 1. Ziggy Norwal. Ziggy Norwal is our final winner in this drawing. And let's see what Ziggy Norwal won. Let's see what Ziggy Norwal won. He won a $10 merch credit. Excellent. Now you can take that merch. You can buy all kinds of stuff for $10. Because we have prices at the very lowest we can, right? Like an Outlier flag mug, or you can get Outlier stickers, or both, or you can get different koozies. Let me see where the koozies are at. The koozies are cheap, like $6, $4, super cheap. Outlier monkey hammered mug. So there you go, a $10 merch credit for Ziggy Norwal.
This is fun, Chris. I love giving away stuff.
I think it's so much fun. I hope that everybody has put hashtag Outlier in the chat. 8, 5, and 1 are Fibonacci numbers. How about that? Hashtag monkey donkeys. All right. Who's going to get the last prize of the day? Let's see. Let's see. Who's going to get the last prize of the day? Isn't this fun? If this is fun to you, you should type hashtag Outlier in the chat. Daniel Longworth. Outstanding. Congratulations to you, Daniel Longworth. All right, Daniel Longworth. Let me send this over to April. That way I don't forget, and then we'll draw what Daniel Longworth's prize will be. All right, so Daniel Longworth, let's go see what this guy's won. Congratulations to you, Daniel. Hey, awesome, thanks. Oh, you don't say thanks yet. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got for you, Daniel. And an Outlier University koozie. I have one of those right here in front of me. So Daniel, when you get this koozie, let me know. Like take a picture and send it to us on the Discord, and then we'll drink together. How's that sound? An Outlier U koozie. So congratulations to you, Daniel. Let me email that to April so I don't forget.
Tradition would have a Guinness in that koozie.
I don't know if he likes that, right? I mean, it could be a Diet Dr. Pepper. I'm not going to tell him what he's got to put in it.
That's true.
But Outlier,
I get one that's gonna have a Guinness in it.
Yes, congratulations, everyone. Skinny Buff Guy changed his avatar. I will let that go. I will allow it. I will definitely allow it. So Daniel's going to send me a picture, and we'll be drinking together. I love it. I love it. Pickle beer. Now we're talking pickle beer. I can only have one. Dude, have you ever had a pickle beer?
I have not.
Oh, man. Hang on. Best made pickle beer. So we got on a little like off topic thing in the Discord the other day, and I was talking about how much I enjoy this. But I can do like 2. After 2, I'm grossed out. It's like, oh, too much pickle. They also have like a pickled pineapple beer. Is this it? I don't know. Either way, yeah. After 2, it's like, oh, this is too much pickle flavor for me. I love pickles.
I don't know. I'm gonna bring 6 friends, and they're each gonna get one because I don't think I'm gonna make it through 2.
Well, it's a Texas thing, so I don't know if you can pick it up everywhere. But hopefully you can. Hopefully you can. Pickleball beer. Let's invent it. I like it. That's like ketchup chips in Canada. I have a funny ketchup chip story. We'll get out of here. So when I was in college, I went to school at Henderson State University in Arkadelphia, Arkansas. Super small school. There was nothing in the city except a Walmart. And I remember walking into Walmart one time and seeing ketchup chips, like as one of the end caps or whatever. And I was like, ketchup chips? That sounds fun. So I bought the chips and I ate it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. So I went back to the store and I bought the case. was like 60 bags of chips. And I was like, these are coming with me.
Yeah, ketchup chips are awesome.
I love a good ketchup chip. All right. Let's look at a couple stocks, right? I ran the scanner real quick and let's look at, I'm not going to look at healthcare anymore. Screw that guy. Let's look at Boeing. Let's look at CCJ. Let's look at Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. Let's look at CNQ and let's look at FHN, Texas, the big country. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, Terry Williams is in Arkansas, born and raised. Yeah, I spent plenty of time there. Plenty of time there. All right. So Boeing, dude, look at this. Within 1 second, we can say Outlier 9 on this. How cool is that?
Very cool.
Now, there's been a lot of chatter about different trading strategies, about 145s, 137s, things like that. Those are different parts of the trend, but I want you to understand, right? If all nine are lit up, that is still 135. That is still 137 or 145. It's everything, right? It's meaning 137 as a minimum, 145 as a minimum. Everything else is great. Everything else is great. So this would be a fantastic setup for you or anybody, right? Now, granted, of course, keep your risk in check. We've got the sector getting more greedy. It doesn't have the donkey channels today, though. You could actually look right up here and see, it doesn't have the donkey channels today, but the sector actually has a score of -1. So more downtrends today than uptrends. So take that as you may. Boeing actually looks really sharp. Let's go another one. 9 of 9. CCJ. Let's zoom in a little bit here. Who just texted me? Who the hell just texted me? Oh, hang on. That might have been Mahesh. That absolutely was Mahesh. Oh, sorry,
Stop
Mahesh.
spending my
My
money.
bad. We got a buy signal on CCJ. We got all 9 lit up. The sector is looking really good. In fact, the sector has a outlier channel score of 2, a donkey channel score of 2, meaning more uptrends and less downtrends at the same time. So this one actually would be a better setup than Boeing that we just looked at a minute ago. How cool is this? Dude, I'm telling you, glance at it and you can see it.
Yep. It's so fast now. I can scan through these just so quickly.
I know it is making life so much simpler. I might be in trouble. We'll have to see. I don't know. The other day, remember I was drinking on the job, and that wasn't a problem. So I think I'm okay. I was drinking with Joe on the job, in fact.
That's right. Maybe he didn't see that video.
No, they know about it. We talked about it. I texted them afterward. I was like, "You guys know that I was like tipsy on air," and they're like, "That's fine. I don't care." And I was like, "Deal. Let's do it again."
Yeah, let's do it again. We're gonna have another university alumni meeting, and so we'll have to do the Guinness that trip.
I actually like that idea. But I'll pace myself this time.
Yeah.
CM, what is this? Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce in the financial sector. Financial sectors get more greedy. Nah, we have a -1 score on the outlier channels today. So there's actually more downtrends and same number of uptrends. But overall, I mean, it looks really sharp. Just keep your risk in check. Man, I love looking at this. This saves so much time. In fact, I bet it helps me save time, make money, and start winning with less risk. I think that's what it does. We've got a +2 score on C and Q with the buy signal. Everything's on there except outlier blocks. Oh, we got some outlier blocks on C and Q. How great is it that Outlier now has the outlier blocks inside of Outlier, and you can just double check it over on what's it called, Trading View. I love this. This is making my life so much easier. It's
Again,
a
it's all
holiday
about
weekend. I feel like Chris should draw again.
Charlotte might be onto something with that.
Mm, it's not my money. I don't care.
We
Why not? Let's do it. If you typed #outlier in the chat, you are already entered. Let's do it again. Why not? Why not? Let's see. Wouldn't it be great if it was Charlotte? That would be so great.
Yeah.
It's Big Sky. Big Sky. Let's go, Big Sky. All right. Congratulations to you. Now I need to go send another email to April. Hang on, April. All right. Second Friday dinner. By the way, Joe, the market's closed on Monday. I'm sure you know that.
It is. Yeah, we're gonna have to sit in cash an extra day.
Okay with me. Hey, let's go see what the Big Sky gets. Oh, I closed that tab already. Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. By the way, do me a favor in the chat. Tell me what your tell me what your favorite channel is. Tell me what your favorite channel is. I hope that I've influenced you. I'm definitely partial, but tell me what the channel is. Let's see. Big Sky wins 1,000,000 HEB briskets. Actually, he won an Outlier flag koozie. Outlier flag koozie for Big Sky. Let's go take a look at the Outlier flag koozie. Where's that at? So they're called can coolers.
Koozie has
Oh
a
my
better
gosh.
ring to it.
I guess it's on the second page. We got an Outlier flag can cooler somewhere. I don't know where it is, but you're getting one. How's that sound? Big Sky gets the uh uh Outlier flag koozie. So congratulations to you, Big Sky. Congratulations to all of our winners. Congratulations for everybody being here. Let's see. Let's look at another stock real quick, Joe. We looked at C and Q, and let's go to the next one. FHN. All right, FHN. This is in the financials. The financials are getting a score of -1 today, so more downtrends, not more uptrends. But we do see the heat map rising. The stock is looking sharp overall. It's got 9 of 9. Excuse me. So seeing FHN also looks really sharp as well. FHN. Oh, I gotta type it correctly. FHN without a slash. Here we go. Now, word of warning. Word of warning. If FHN closes below the prior day's low, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. Veritasium also has a great channel, but do me a favor. Let's siphon off some of those Veritasium subs onto our channel. He's got too many. He's got too many. Rick, very sweet. My favorite channel is Christopher Yule, twice awarded top 100 people in finance, mentored by 5 of the market wizards, the best traders of all time, right? I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. SoFi's got 9 of 9. Let's go look at SoFi. Look at that, bro. I love this. I love this. That looks awesome. So here's the deal, right? There's a lot going on in the market right now, with the market being elevated as it is on fear and greed, basically how greedy it is. I'm not taking any trades for a while, which is a great time to sit in cash and don't F up. Put your money in something like SGov or other interest bearing accounts that are super liquid, so that whenever you have the ability to put on new trades, you're not sitting there waiting for things to clear. You can just get out and get into the trade that you want to have. That's what Chris is doing. I like how you're just like, I'm just chill in cash until my magic system tells me to make money. Yeah. Isn't it great? I love it. I love it. So let's wrap it there today, Joe. Joe, I really appreciate you taking the time to hang out with us. Everybody say thanks to Joe. He's been killing it this week. He's been a great sidekick. I love having him on the show. You make this better, and so does everybody who's watching live.
Well, thanks, Chris. I'm just here rolling my contracts. It's been a great week.
Dude, awesome. Hey, if you are in Escov, make sure you sell it today. I just showed mine. I just sold mine at the top of the show, so I did that as well, and I'll be buying it back on Tuesday. You guys have a fantastic day. Joe, I can't remember. If somebody wanted to save time, make money, and start winning with less risk, what are they supposed to do?
Well, there's 2 things. First, they could consider subscribing for 82 cents a day, but they
Oh,
could also click one of these 2 videos.
one of these two?
Yeah.
That's a great idea, Joe. Thanks for coming, guys. We'll talk soon.